Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your engine air filter. First, gather your tools. A new engine air filter, which you can typically find for around $20 to $30, and a Phillips head screwdriver if needed. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Now, let's find the air filter housing. It's typically a large, black plastic box located on one side of the engine compartment, often connected to a large intake hose. You'll usually see 2 to 4 metal clips or a few screws holding the lid in place. Unclip these, or use your screwdriver to loosen them. Once released, gently lift the top half of the housing to reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old air filter. Take a moment to observe its condition. It might be quite dirty with leaves or debris. Notice how it sits in the housing, as the new filter needs to be installed in the same orientation. Now, gently place your brand new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely within the designated slot. Finally, carefully lower the top of the air filter housing back into place, ensuring all edges align perfectly. Re-engage all the clips or tighten the screws you removed earlier, making sure the housing is sealed tightly. This simple, 10-minute task, performed every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps your engine breathe better, leading to improved horsepower and better gas mileage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.